In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to a project in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly invite teammates to a specific project so they can start collaborating right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira workspace and that you have the right permissions to manage people on the project. Usually, this means you're a project administrator or have similar access. Without that, you might not see the options we're about to use. Start by opening the project where you want to add someone. From your Jira dashboard, look for the list of projects, then click on the project's name to open it. This takes you into that project's main area where you can see issues, boards, and other settings. It's important that you're actually inside the correct project, because the people you add here will only get access to this project, not all projects in Jira. Once you're on the project page, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Jira hides a lot of project level actions and configuration shortcuts, including the one we need. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Add People and click on it. This will open a small window or panel where you can invite new users to the project. If you don't see Add People, double check that you're in the right place and that you have the correct permissions, because that option only appears for users who are allowed to manage access. In the Add People panel, you'll see a field where you can type an email address. Carefully type in the work email of the person you want to invite to the project. Jira will use this address to either match an existing user in your organization or send an invitation if they're new. Take a moment to confirm the spelling, since a typo can send the invite to the wrong person or cause it to fail. After entering the email, review any visible role or permission settings if they appear, and make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click the Add button. Jira will then process the invitation and, if needed, send an email to that user so they can join. Once that's done, they'll be added to your project and can start working